Angelswing is a construction tech startup that revolutionizes the job site with a reality capture tools like a drone.
Angelswing Solution is a drone data platform that enables smart construction management by reconstructing physical job sites into the digital world. Our automated data processing pipeline let users monitor their job site faster and more intuitively by simply uploading the data to the platform. Currently, 60% of the top 20 Korean construction companies, such as Samsung C&T, Hyundai E&C, and GS E&C, are utilizing Angelswing Solution and experiencing job site innovation. Also, Angelswing Solution has been globally adopted in construction, mining, aggregates, and environmental industries. Wherever the job site is, with our numerous and accumulated use cases, we successfully bring the best value of the drone technology to every single job site. Light and high accessibility are our key values. Angelswing is a cloud platform that allows you to upload, view, and easily analyze the data wherever, whenever you want. There is no need to buy a high-spec computer. Even in the abroad job sites, simply upload drone images to our platform, and our data processing pipeline will quickly process the data and provide you the digital job site. Angelswing provides high-resolution 2D and 3D models that you can precisely track the earthwork progress and its location. In fact, you can even detect a small tennis ball on the ground. With the high-resolution models, you can intuitively monitor the job site and communicate effectively with the stakeholders. CAD overlays allow you to accurately view the construction status compared to the design, allowing you to quickly and accurately monitor the as-is versus as-planned. We support every coordinate system in the world. Utilizing the survey and measurement features in the job site dramatically reduces the survey time and cost. The 99% accuracy of the earthwork volume measurement compared to the laser scanner method shows how accurate it can be. Angelswing is making new changes in the job site management. Experience construction site innovation with Angelswing.